Flying is very empowering.
The other day, I tried to go to Homestead to check out the paragliders because I want to get into paramotors. But the winds were a disaster. They were like gusting 20 miles an hour. Today, winds are calm. So I'm gonna go to Homestead again and see if I can check those guys out. Avionics off, autopilot off, no AC, carb heat off. Clear prop! Alright.
Wind 100 at 5, visibility 10, 4,600 scattered, ceiling 6,500 broken, temperature 24, 2.19er, altimeter 3023. Wireless localizer runway 9er approaching use. Landing upon runway 9er and 13. Notice airman, use caution for multiple taxiway closures east of runway 13 and south of runway 9er. Expect aggressive taxi. TFR in effect, check local NOTAMs. Bird advisors in effect. Use caution during activities authorized on the class Delta or below 400 feet. AIS information, Oscar.
Oscar. So we're going to direct flight to X51. Executive clearance, November 3524 Quebec is PA28 departing to the southwest with Oscar.
We're at 3524 Quebec, roger, contact ground taxi.
3524 Quebec to ground. Alright, so landing lights on. I'm going to check the brakes real quick. Make sure that the brakes are good. Brakes are good.
Yep.
If you see something that you don't think should look that way, let me know and I'll decide if it should look that way or not. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that makes sense.
I read a report where there was a lady that got in an airplane. She saw something that was broken. She didn't say anything. They crashed.
Oh, jeez.
She thought it was, somebody else saw it.
Exactly.
Executive ground, November 3524 Quebec, is at hotel, ready to taxi to the active.
Cherokee 3524 Quebec, executive ground, runway 9er, taxi via Echo.
9er via Echo, 24 Quebec. Getting ready to go to the run-up area of runway 9. The run-up area is where we do last checkups on the airplane before we take off. Make sure that the magnetos are correct, are good in working condition, and everything is in good working condition.
That's smart. Okay.
Because you don't want to be checking things in the air.
That's right.
You don't want to be in the air hoping that you're on the ground. I taxi on the right tank. Let's turn the fuel pump on. Just went to the left tank. I know this stuff, but let me go ahead and do the run-up, the checklist, I mean. Just change to the left tank, trim, initiator lights, working, instruments, altimeter set. So let's go to 2000. Left magneto, both magnetos, right magneto, both magnetos, carb heat off, 5 with vacuum, 14 volts, good oil pressure, good oil temperature, 30 amps, both tanks are full, good fuel pressure. The airplane does not feel like there's anything wrong with it. I'm going to give it more power, and then I'm going to bring it down. Executive Tower, November 3524 Quebec, holding short of runway 9, ready.
Number 3524 Quebec, Executive Tower, make it right down with departure, main clear, class early airspace, runway 9er, clear for takeoff, traffic, citation, 4 mile final.
Runway 9, clear for takeoff, right, traffic, 3524 Quebec.
10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music.
We got a jet on the way. We are pretty much clear of the TFR at this point. 1,000 feet. Let's get some speed now. Look at that big jet going to Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, right. Wow.
Too far Quebec frequency change approved, thanks. And we're out of their airspace.
Okay.
All the systems look green. My my cruise checklist has been checked. Look at that bird. Gotta stay away from a lot of birds out here, man.
I'll bet.
Gotta stay at 1,000 feet to stay away from the Fort Lauderdale International airspace. So there is Everglades.
Yeah.
Right there.
There's your gators somewhere out there.
Oh, it's packed with them.
Eastbound, there's a left-hand crosswind for runway 35.
I don't want to do anything else but this, man. I don't want to do anything but this.
Absolutely. Yeah, this is nice. That's really cool.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I don't blame you. This is what you ought to be doing.
Yeah, every day, all day.
Follow your passion, right?
Yeah, right? This is not a passion, this is an obsession.
Obsession, that's for sure.
Look at that bird. God, it's right above us. Birds are such a problem out here. Big, big problem. Look at all the airplanes. You see that? All those little triangles? Those are airplanes.
Oh,
that's
right.
That's Fort Lauderdale International. And they're on final. So cool.
Hopefully they're higher than us, right?
Oh yeah, they're pretty high. We are right under them in the space. So we're still...
Oh, yeah.
There's one right there.
Oh, yeah.
That is Marc Park right there. See that little runway?
Yeah.
That's
oh,
a
wow.
remote control airplane runway.
That's a tiny airport.
Yeah.
There's some guys fishing down there.
Yeah, that's a life.
We'll tell them where the fish are. Move that way.
Look at that bird, scared, running away from us, or flying away from us. And look at that jet. Southwest. You see it?
Oh, what about it? No.
Straight.
Oh, yeah, there they are.
At 12 o'clock, southwest, going for Fort Lauderdale International. My God, that is so cool.
That's amazing.
Whee! Oh, man. No traffic. All systems are green. Squawking VFR. Look at those birds, man.
Oh, yeah.
Birds are an issue here.
There they are.
Whoa. Did you see how they died?
Yeah. They saw us coming.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 200 feet above.
You see that?
I see it, yeah. I see it top.
All right, we're getting close, so let's go ahead and get out of the way. He didn't even see me. Probably saw me now. You see that?
Yeah.
It's a little bit close, like 1,000, like 2,000 feet maybe.
Oh, yeah.
And we got traffic behind us too. Look at that bird. Right at
135, we're 12 miles to the west.
What's he doing?
Coming in for 10, unless y'all are using the other one.
2 holding short runway 10. Any other traffic on final orbit? And please advise Homestead.
We're showing 6 miles.
Homestead traffic is up.
Sierra on final runway 10 Homestead.
Minute 12.
A lot of people today. A lot of people. That happens when...
Good day for flying. A lot of people out.
Yeah.
For runway 10, 1,300 feet.
All right. Pump is on. Pre-landing checklist is done. Homestead traffic, give it Cherokee. 6 miles to the north. Entering left base 10, Homestead.
Homestead traffic, runway 12 Lima, entering left downwind for runway 10, Homestead.
Okay, so there's that guy. Left downwind. Homestead traffic, give it Cherokee at 900, entering left base 10, Homestead.
Oh, yeah.
Runway 10.
Okay, I got it.
Do it what? Watching cars, left.
I got him. See the traffic? 11 o'clock, 4 miles out.
Wow.
A lot of traffic today.
Anybody call me?
That's fun. I like when there's a lot of traffic. It keeps you in check.
Helps you focus, that's for sure.
The traffic Cessna 182 entering runway 10.
Alright, so that guy is on base and somebody's entering the runway.
And folks, traffic is selling on about an 8-mile final straight into 35 on the GPS approach.
Okay, we have a guy up here.
Cessna 182.
Same up here.
Runway 10, Homestead.
Yeah.
It's a Cherokee, another Cherokee. Yeah. So I'm going to do a long left base.
Homestead traffic, Cessna Skyhawk is holding short, 10, Homestead.
Okay, all my systems are green. Landing.
Homestead traffic, runway 12 Lima, just made a left base for runway 10.
So I'm going to extend so that to give it space.
7 miles right down in runway 1050. Homestead traffic, Cessna 430, Foxtrot Sierra, left downwind, runway 10, full stop.
And Homestead traffic, Cessna 172, left base, runway 10.
Homestead traffic, you have a Cherokee on final, 10, Homestead.
Around 10 or 12 years ago, the train was
Homestead
off
traffic,
and
Cessna
unused.
430, Foxtrot Sierra, on final, runway 10, Homestead.
Cessna 182, standing for left base 10, Homestead. Will be full stop.
Homestead traffic, Skyhawk is going to overfly the midfield from the downwind for 10 and do a 360 over the FDO.
Nice landing.
Homestead traffic, Cherokee's off the runway, Homestead.
So that turned out to be another day that I showed up in Homestead and the winds were too high for the paragliders. Nobody was there by the time that I got there, but I did find this group of women that were volunteering at the airport doing this. Check it out.
The 99th is the International Organization of Women Pilots. It's an organization that was started by Amelia Earhart in 1929. Today we're doing what's called air marking, not only compass roses like we're doing right now, but also the airport identifiers and some runway numbers. And this is a 50 feet diameter compass rose. It has the 99th logo inside. I became a private pilot 5 years ago. Learning to fly changed my life. I fell completely in love with aviation. I'm also a physician myself and an artist. Flying is very empowering. It gives you a sense of freedom. It's almost like meditation sometimes. Get it done. Get in the airplane, fly, keep current. And for those that are not flying, just to try it out and learn to fly.